안녕하세요. 여러분 잘 지냈어요?
네, 선생님, 좋아해요.
좋아해요? 좋아요? 좋아해요. This is one of the most common mistakes students make while learning Korean. If you have watched a lot of K-dramas,
내일 예약 몇 시가 좋아요?
좋아해요.
this expression might be very familiar to you. But do you know what's the difference? They are very similar, but they have a completely different forms and meanings. Let's break it down step by step. So let's start with 좋아요. It means good, nice, or it's good. 좋아요 is an adjective. In Korean, adjectives can act like the verb to be in English. 좋다 is the root form of 좋아요. It means to be good or to be nice. And when conjugated, 좋다 becomes 좋아요 in the present tense. So, when do you use 좋아요? It's used when you're commenting on something that is good, or when expressing your approval or satisfaction. It doesn't express your personal feeling of liking something. Here's a couple of examples. Number 1, 이 영화 좋아요. This movie is good. Number 2, 커피 좋아요. The coffee is good. In this case, you are only describing something as being good, not necessarily saying that you like it in the sense of having a personal affection or preference for it. So, what do you say when you want to express your preference on something? That's when you use 좋아해요. 좋아해요 means to like. This is a verb. The root form of 좋아해요 is 좋아하다, meaning to like or to have affection for. When conjugated, it becomes 좋아해요 in the polite form. Unlike the adjective 좋아요, 좋아해요 conveys a personal emotion or preference about something or someone. And it's used when you talk about liking things or people. Here are some examples. Number 1, 저는 커피를 좋아해요. I like coffee. Number 2, 그 사람을 좋아해요. I like that person. Number 3, 저는 음악을 좋아해요. I like music. If you're still unsure of the difference, here are more examples. Let's say your teacher asks you, 잘 지냈어요? Have you been well? If you reply with 좋아해요, that sounds quite odd because it would be interpreted as I like you. The more natural response would be 좋아요, which means I'm good or it's good. Here, you are expressing that you are doing well or that everything is fine. Let's look at another example in the form of a question. 커피 좋아해요? It means, do you like coffee? 커피 좋아요? Means, is the coffee good? Can you see the difference now? So, just a quick recap. 좋아요? Good. 좋아해요? To like. Now that you understand the difference between 좋아요 and 좋아해요, let's be careful when you're using them from now on. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also download a free copy of today's lesson in the description box down below. So that's all for today. See you next time. 다음에 만나요. 안녕!